Hi, I'm Paul Solka. I've been measuring measures.com. Today we're going to look at the 18th question from Digital Essay Test 2, Module 2B. This is from the Bluebook app. And number 18 reads the hardest setting writing questions. Which choice text that conforms to standard English? When you see that question, you always want the answer choices first. Because depending on what the answer choices say, that's going to tell you how you want to approach the question. When I look at these answer choices, I see that each of these answer choices start differently. The mitigation, the bioswales, mitigation, and both street flooding and the resulting pollution. When you see each answer choice start differently like that, then you know it's testing a concept called modification word order. What does that mean? Well, to illustrate it, I'm going to give you a sample sentence that's going to have bad modification. Bad word order. So here goes. Barking loudly. The tree had the dog's leash wrapped around it. Pause it. Tell me if you know what sounds wrong about that sentence. I'll tell you. Barking loudly follows a comma. Has to be what's barking loudly. Trees don't bark. So when you say barking loudly, the tree had the dog's leash wrapped around it. It might sound like the tree is barking. So you might be thinking, I'm going to correct it. Barking loudly, the dog's leash was wrapped around the tree. But notice the dog wasn't immediately following the comma. I mean, it's the dog's leash. Leashes don't bark either. That's also an error. So to correct it, you have to say barking loudly, the dog wrapped its leash around the tree. Might sound funny, but that's correct because dogs bark. And if you notice, take away the modified phrase, take away barking loudly, you have an independent clause. The dog wraps its leash around the tree. That's 100% correct sentence, and that would be a correct answer there. So when you master modification word order, then you only have to look at the beginning of each answer choice to get it correct. And it makes one of the hardest questions into one of the easiest questions. So let's go to our passage here, and we're going to see what follows the comma has to be doing what is being done before. So let's check it out. In 2016, engineer Vanessa Galvez oversaw the installation of 164 bioswales, vegetated channels designed to absorb and divert stormwater along the streets of Queens, New York. Okay, so now we know what bioswales are. By reducing the runoff flowing into city sewers, so it follows the comma has to be who or what is reducing the runoff flowing into city sewers. Is the mitigation? No, the mitigation is the reduction of runoff flowing into city sewers. Is it the bioswales? Yeah. It says that those are the bioswales absorb and divert stormwater. So they are reducing runoff into city sewers. So we found our correct answer. Why not C? C's not saying the bioswales. Saying the bioswales mitigation. We already said the mitigation is the reduction. It's not the thing doing reducing. And then street flooding and resulting pollution is wrong. So that's street flooding and resulting pollution is what happens if you don't have bioswales. So once again, the bioswales are those that are reducing runoff flowing into seawater. That's your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You share it with someone who has difficulty with this concept modification word order, which almost all students do if they're not aware of it. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to show you on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1 minute video. Go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Go to Test 2 Module 2B. The shorter videos are just underneath these longer videos, and you could see the solution in a minute or two and be on your way. Have a great day.